Presenting the ZEBRONICS NBC 5's Intel Core i7 12th Generation 1255 laptop. It comes with 10 cores and 12 threads backed by the processor and native Full HD 1920 by 1080p resolution to provide improved color accuracy, increased performance and bandwidth and superfast data transfer. It comes with flexible option for both portability and usage and up to 10 hours of backup. It has laptop's IPS display and wider viewing angle. Display supports a max 180 angle tilt to put forth your convenience, and the Type-C port is capable of providing display output. It comes with 39.6 cm, 15.6 inches and it features built-in speakers with Dolby Atmos support, 3.5mm headphone plus mic port and strong speaker combination, longer video chats, and it enables both clear audio and crystal clear video transmission. It also features dual-band Wi-Fi connection with Bulletin 802.11a/b/g/n/AC 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus BTV 5.0 and seamless connectivity to the laptop. 1x USB 2.0, an MSD slot and HDMI port for video output.